two password managers you've definitely heard of. One big question: which one really delivers? On the left, NordPass, fast, affordable, and modern, and on the right, 1Password, packed with unique features and tough-as-nails security. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Okay, so here's how we're going to compare these two. We've got price for the wallets out there, security for the paranoid aka, everyone, features and extras for those who want more than just passwords, ease of use because no one wants a headache, and compatibility and integration for the power users who live on every device you can imagine. Got it? Let's get into it. First up, price. So NordPass is definitely playing the budget game. It has a completely free tier with unlimited passwords, so if you're just getting started, that's very cool. Plus, if you pay for NordPass, the 2-year plan runs just $1.49 per month. Pretty wild, right? Oh, and you get a 30-day money-back guarantee. The only hiccup is there's no monthly plan option. You gotta commit. Now, 1Password, more on the premium side. It does offer a monthly option for flexibility, and there's a 14-day free trial if you just want to test the waters. But no truly free tier, and paying yearly is gonna cost you more. Think $2.99 or more per month for personal and even higher for family plans. Bummer, no money-back guarantee. So if budget matters most, NordPass takes this round hands down. Let's talk security, because honestly that's the whole point, right? NordPass uses XCHA-20 encryption, which is legit modern stuff. It's zero knowledge, so not even NordPass gets to peek at your passwords, and you get all the cool biometric logins. Even better, they've been independently audited, but no extra secret key. Now, 1Password is the big name here. AES 256 encryption is industry standard zero knowledge, and you get not just Face and Touch ID but Iris too. There's this unique secret key which adds another layer when logging in. Plus, independent audits. They're not fully open source, but some parts are. Overall, honestly, both are rock solid, so I'm calling this one a tie. Moving on to features and extras, and oh, here, where things get interesting. NordPass comes packed. Password generator and sharing, autofill, password strength reports, a legit data breach scanner, up to 3 GB file storage, which is more generous than most, email masking. There's even a bundle with NordVPN if you're full-on privacy mode. Pretty sweet. As for 1Password, you get password generator and sharing too, autofill, detailed health reports, and breach monitoring. There's also travel mode for safe crossing borders, very James Bond. But file storage for individuals tops at 1 GB unless you're on business plans. No email masking though, which is kind of a missed opportunity. So if you want lots of extras plus storage, NordPass is the surprise winner. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. NordPass was actually created by the same cybersecurity brains behind NordVPN. So you know it's not their first rodeo when it comes to keeping things secure. Alright, ease of use. NordPass is super clean, and honestly it's just easy. The interface is fresh, it's easy to find everything, no stress. Importing and exporting is like a breeze. It's the kind of thing your non-techie friend could handle no problem. 1Password, it's polished. Seriously, the design is great, but oh man, there's a lot going on under the hood. Tons of advanced settings, which is awesome for power users, but let's be real, there's a bit of a learning curve if you just want to set and forget. Winner for ease, NordPass. Last up, compatibility and integration. So NordPass, it's got apps for Windows, Mac, Linux, iOS, and Android, plus browser extensions for the usual suspects. Everything you need, just not for the command line crew. 1Password, though, really goes all in. Apps for every OS, browser, and even CLI tools for all you coder types out there. The business and team features are super impressive, honestly. So if you want crazy flexibility and integration, 1Password takes this category. Let's throw it all together in a radar chart and see how our contenders stack up across all those categories: price, security, features, ease of use, and compatibility. You'll notice NordPass really shines on affordability and user-friendliness, while 1Password's strength is its integration options and security features. So bottom line, NordPass is absolutely your go-to if you want something affordable, modern, and seriously easy to use. Free options, lots of extras, and great value. But if you want that extra layer of security magic or need to integrate across every device and platform, especially for teams or businesses, then 1Password is probably your best bet. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.